In this video tutorial, we'll show you two simple ways to add files to your Google Drive. One, using the Google Drive web interface, and two, using the Google Drive for Desktop app on your Mac. Whether you prefer working in a browser or directly from the Finder, both options make it easy to store your work files in the cloud. Let's get started. First, let's upload files using the web interface. Please note, you'll need to be connected to the internet to use this method. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com or click on Drive from your Google Apps button in your email. Log in with your Gustavus credentials if prompted. Navigate to the location where you want to upload your file, either My Drives or Shared Drives. If you want to create a new folder for your file, click the plus New button on the left and select New Folder. Name it something clear and specific. Click Create. Open that folder. Once you're in the desired folder, simply open up your Finder. Simply drag and drop files or folders from your computer into the Google Drive window of your browser. The file will upload and be saved in that location. Let's move to the second option, using the Google Drive for Desktop. Open the Finder on your Mac. In the left sidebar, click Google Drive. Navigate to either My Drive or Shared Drives, depending on where you want to save the file. If you want to create a new folder for your file, right-click below the last visible file or folder and select New Folder. Name it something clear and concise. And press Enter. Please note, you are not able to create a folder in one of your shared drives using the Google Drive for Desktop app. Open the folder, and now we need to open another window of the Finder. So go up to your File menu and select New File window. In this window, go ahead and navigate to where the file is that you'd like to upload to your Google Drive. Drag and drop files or folders from your computer directly into this folder. Click Confirm to accept the Move Item to Google Drive message. That's it! The files will be synced automatically and be available online and across your devices. A few reminders: whether you add files using the web or desktop version, they'll be available in both places instantly as long as you're connected to the internet. The files you upload will retain their original format. For example, an Excel file will stay an Excel file. Google Drive should only be used for work-related files. Please do not store personal files on your college-provided account. If you should have any questions or need assistance, please contact the GTS helpline at 507-933-6111 or email at helpline@gustavus.edu.